want to love me too, so I can't deny. Baby, for me, your love keep grow.
Yes, brothers and sisters.
Hold on.
That's it.
Yeah. Listen.
Put your hand.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Thank you very much.
You want?
Thank you very
One more
much.
time. Okay. Hear me now. Hear me, girl, Negril.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hear me, girl, Negril.
all listen now. This is the end of the show, brother, please. You know what, we have some musician here.
Yeah.
To be honest, let me tell you something. You see all these people playing for me, hold on now, please. You know what, please. All these guys that play for me, they're doing out of condonancy. Please, I want to... Hold on now, you get your time, man. Don't worry about that. Here, where you name?
Devon Irie.
Alright, Devon Irie, where have you for next week? Yeah, thank you very much. Devon Irie.
No more in store.
Yeah, man, we respect you here. Thank you very much. We love you. And what I'm saying now is this. Time is running out. And all these guys I'm up here playing for us, they are doing a lot of condonancy for the community. Right? So I can't abuse them because you know what? I'm not paying them no money. I'm not ashamed. I don't have nothing to pay them, but because of the love of the music and because of us as music family, that's what we are doing here. They are doing it out of their kindness and the love of music, so we don't want to abuse it. If you want to hear us, you come in time. We start at 2:30 or 3 o'clock at MiYard Bar and Restaurant, live reggae music, and we love you all. And enough respect to all the sponsors and all the people and all the artists, the musicians. We say enough respect. Thank you, Delroy, very much. Thank you, Yellow. Thank you, Eviana. Thank you, Earl for helping us setting up Yellow.